Did you know that 78% of workers are living paycheck to paycheck? That's nearly 8 out of every 10 people you pass on the street. They aren't just broke, many of them earn 6 figures but have $0 in the bank. If you feel like your money vanishes the moment it hits your account, you aren't failing at life. You're just playing the game without a map. Most people think the top 1% have a secret investment or a magic stock pick. They don't. They have a system. By the end of this video, I'm going to hand you that system, the 50-30-20 rule. I'll show you exactly how to automate your wealth, eliminate buyer's remorse forever, and finally start building a portfolio that works while you sleep. If you click away now, you're literally choosing to stay in that 78%. Stay tuned. Let's dive in. Imagine your income is a pizza. The first 50%, exactly half, is your survival slice. These are your needs. We're talking rent, mortgage, utilities, groceries, and basic transport. If you don't pay these, your life stops working. Think of this like the engine oil in a car. Without it, the engine seizes. But here's the mistake most people make: they confuse needs with upgraded wants. Need: a roof over your head. Want: a penthouse in the city center. Actionable tip: if your needs are costing you 70% of your income, you aren't living, you're suffocating. You need to either downsize or increase your income. The top 1% keep their fixed costs low so their opportunity fund stays high. Now, here is where most financial gurus get it wrong. They tell you to stop buying lattes. I'm telling you to keep the latte. This is the 30% wants category. This is your lifestyle slice: movies, dining out, that new pair of sneakers, or your Netflix subscription. Imagine a diet where you only eat steamed broccoli. You'll last 4 days, then you'll binge on a box of donuts. Budgeting is the same. If you don't leave room for fun, you will eventually revenge spend and ruin your progress. Actionable tip: use the 24-hour rule. Want that new gadget? Put it in your cart, wait 24 hours. If the high is gone, don't buy it. That 30% is a limit, not a goal. This is the most important part of the video. This is the 20% savings and debt repayment. In the finance world, we call this paying yourself first. Imagine you're building a fortress. This 20% is the stone and mortar. Phase 1, build an emergency fund. Phase 2, match your employer's retirement plan. Phase 3, aggressive debt repayment. Actionable tip: automate it. Set your banking app to move that 20% the second your paycheck hits. If you don't see it, you won't miss it. Step 4 is the monthly audit. Every 30 days, look at your bank statement. If your needs are creeping up to 60%, you need to trim the fat. Step 5 is the scaling phase. As you get a raise, don't increase your lifestyle. This is called lifestyle creep. If you get a $500 raise, keep your wants the same and dump that extra money into your 20% wealth pillar. That is how you leapfrog from the middle class to the wealthy. Let's recap. 50% for your needs, keep the engine running. 30% for your wants, enjoy the ride. 20% for your future, build the fortress. Managing money isn't about being a math genius. It's about discipline over dopamine. When you master the 50-30 rule, you stop working for money and start making your money work for you. The challenge: I want you to look at your last 3 bank statements today. Calculate your percentages. Are you on track, or are you overspending? If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We release deep dives like this every week to help you master your mindset and your money. Drop a comment below with the word freedom if you're committing to the 50-30-20 rule starting today. I'll be responding to as many of you as I can. Is Capital Office here, and I'll see you in the next video.